Earlier, earlier on today, I think I may have caused the engine light. I was cleaning the engine, and now the light has come up. I'm pretty sure it wasn't there before, but this car's been on for 5 minutes now, and it still hasn't disappeared. So I'm just going to plug this CV in and see what it says. Ignition on. Okay, let's just read the codes. I like to read codes before I clear. There's quite a few. High voltage. No activity detected. Okay. Let's just have a quick look first, see what's going on here. What was it? Bank 1, Bank 2, sensor 2 or something. Oh, this is the oxygen sensor. They're saying there's no activity. Just make sure that everything is connected. There's no water on it. Not a lot I can do from there. That looks like that's the ECU. Just a bit of a warning, if you ever clean the engine, make sure there's no water that gets inside. I mean, this ECU is pretty exposed. So let's just see if I can cancel out the codes and see if they stay cancelled. Right, let's go ahead and erase. Right, it has gone out, but the car still doesn't feel right. So I don't know if it's something I've done, but if you want to subscribe, hit the notification bell after my mess up, then feel free and maybe send a like.